Cream Cleanser CIF Dupe with 3 simple ingredients. Okay, this stuff is expensive, but I love it. Number one, it's like a cream cleanser. Okay, so when you clean with it, it smells fantastic. It does a great job, but it doesn't leave the gritty residue. So I love these, but they are quite pricey. So I have learned how to make it my own, and it's really easy. It's 3 simple ingredients. Let's make it. Okay, you're gonna need some Castile soap. You could also use dish soap, like this Miss Myers has acorn scent or acorn spice. Would be excellent for the fall, just depending. I like to switch my scents up, but I do love the Castile soap because it's natural soap and it smells really good. So these come in different scents too, so why not? You're also gonna need some baking soda. That's really simple. So just a reminder, if you're liking and enjoying this, please hit the subscribe and like for more cleaning tips I'm going to bring to you. Mix the Castile soap with the baking soda. I put more soap than soda because the most important thing with this is the texture. You don't want it thick. You want it really thin, like thin, like it pours. So I find the better, thinner it is, the better and easier it is for like so many things. And so you just mix them up, and I think that it needs a little bit more. So I just thin it out with more soap. So definitely that's it. You can like clean almost everything with this, and this is safe for stone. I use these bottles to pour it in because they're leak proof, but you certainly could use an old used bottle. Like we just emptied out the Castile soap bottle. You could use that. You could use any squirt bottle that you have around, but I just bought these because they were leak proof. But you can also use the old CIF bottles if you want. But the little lids came loose for me. So I just wanted a leak-proof bottle because I travel with my cleaners. I do clean houses professionally. So that's what I do. And this is leak-proof, so I put it in that. But the most important thing is the texture. And this combination is not only natural, it's safe for all surfaces. Stone, fiberglass, porcelain, you name it. It won't ruin anything. Quartz, marble, and it's just totally safe for anything. So you don't have to worry about what can I use this on. You can virtually use this on any and everything. And the fact that it smells good and it doesn't leave a gritty grime after you've cleaned, and you know what ingredients are in it. I think it's a wonderful thing. It's just so easy to mix up. I said 3 ingredients, so the missing ingredient is essential oil. I add a little bit extra. It's not necessary. You don't need to add more essential oil, but I add it because I like it to smell really good. So I just add it to these bottles, and as you see, I put it in the sink. So it foams up, obviously, in the soap. It does a great job, and I add a little label to it at the end so everybody knows what it is inside there, and I use it like so much all over the place. I really hope you enjoy this.